14th chapter, The World Between Wars 1900 to 1950 Part 2. We have discussed last topic Russian Socialist Revolution. Russian Socialist Revolution last time completed. The topic once again briefly repeated. Explained. Russian Revolution according to socialist theory. The revolution led by Vladimir Lenin. Vladimir Lenin followed the socialist ideas. Socialist ideas. Russian Revolution occurred 1917. The revolution is also called October and or November Revolution. After revolution, Russia became a USSR. USSR 1924, the Russia became a USSR. USSR full form Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. The Russia became a socialist country or communist country in the world. First communist country in the world. After Lenin, death of Lenin, another important leader rise in Russia. The leader named Joseph Stalin. Joseph Stalin is the important leader or president of Russia. Why? The Stalin introduced so many development programs. Russia became a superpower country. Why? The Stalin followed or Stalin implemented so many programs, so many development programs. Yesterday, last class, some topics, Stalin development programs also discussed. Suppose Stalin followed the twin policies, main twin policies. First one, rapid industrialization. First policy, rapid industrialization. Russia industrially, so many industries established in Russia, established by Stalin. Russia is an industrial growth country and agriculture sector also very rapidly, fast development growth. Collective farm followed by Stalin. The Stalin introduced one of the first important program, plannings, 5-year plannings. 5-year plannings program introduced in 1928. 1928, Stalin introduced 5-year plans. First in the world, 5-year plans introduced by Stalin in 1928. 5 years, the aim of the goal of the particular category. Suppose our India also introduced the 5-year plans. Present 5-year plans replaced Niti Aayog. Present our Prime Minister Narendra Modi replaced the Niti Aayog. Generally, 5-year plans inspired of Russia. Stalin 1928 introduced 5-year plans. 5-year plans main aim development of the country. Different categories: agricultural, industrial, education, service, agriculture, industry sector, all sectors growth of Russia. Stalin followed so many development programs, especially during the economical depression time. Great Depression occurred in the world. Great Depression time ruled by Stalin of Russia. That time, Stalin, so many development programs introduced by Stalin, at the same time escaped the Russia, escaped the economical depression of Russia. Why? Stalin followed some development programs. What are they? Some programs introduced. First one, education. Education is the main important development aspect. Primary education, higher education. The educations, primary education is completely. Primary education introduced, free education for girls and boys, both girls and boys. Free education. Free education provided by Stalin. Education after some welfare programs. Welfare programs mean suppose women's old people, old age people, and some disabled persons, children's. The type of peoples introduced some welfare programs introduced by Stalin. Stalin introduced the transport, communication. Especially Stalin provide the number of development and welfare programs. Developed programs and welfare programs. During the depression time also, the Russia escaped the economical depression. Why? The Stalin introduced some development programs, especially agricultural development, industrial development, so many sectors, so many categories also developed by the Stalin. Rise of Stalin. Stalin time, Russia became a superpower country, became a developed country, The rise of Stalin, 1924 to 1990, so is important thing. Rise of Stalin. Another, the Russian Revolution inspired throughout the world. Russian Revolution theories, Russian Revolution inspiration throughout the world. Include our India also. Our India also, so many leaders followed by the Russian, followed by some Indian leaders. Suppose our Indian leaders, M.N. Roy. M.N. Roy is a famous leader, followed the Russian socialist theory. Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, Tagore, so many leaders inspired the Russian Socialist Revolution. The leaders followed as these of Russian Socialist Revolutions, not. Why? Russian Socialist Revolution is completely opposition of other political parties. The leaders support the multi-party system. The leaders followed the democratic socialist ideas. Our India also support Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru introduced 5 years plans of India. First, second, third, 1 to 13, 14. 5 years plans introduced by Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru 5 years plans introduced inspiration, Russian Revolution, Stalin programs. Stalin introduced the 5 year plans. 5 year plans very success. Especially our Indian leaders also inspired the Russian Revolution. Example, M.N. Roy, Tagore, and important Jayaprakash Narayan, especially Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, now next another important we have another important topic. Russian Revolution. One of the important writer, George Orwell. George Orwell. George Orwell, writer. The writer, satire of the Russian Socialist Revolution. Russian Socialist Revolution satire. George Orwell, writer, wrote one of the book named Animal Farm. According to Animal Farm, this is the satire of the Russian Socialist Revolution. Russian socialist ideas introduced in the world and introduced the country. So many criticism and satire the Animal Farm. Animal Farm is the book. Is the book name. The book wrote by George Orwell. Okay. The another one of the important topics. Two topics discussed. Russian Socialist Revolution. After in 1917. Next to rise of Stalin. Next another topic the Great Depression. Next topic the Great Depression. The Great Economical Depression. Economical depression during period 1929 to 1939, 10 years or 11 years period. Depression. The depression means is the economical depression. Economical depression means so many economical activities. It is an economical crisis. Economical or financial downfall during the Great Depression. Great Depression influenced in the world. So many countries influenced the Great Depression. During the Great Depression time, some important things, some important aspects followed the Great Depression. The important aspects, some important policies during the Depression time. First one, inflation. Inflation, it is the main important influence of the depression. Inflation. Inflation means the continuous rising of prices. The continuous rising of prices is called inflation. Inflation time, the world or countries also completely influenced the Great Depression. Effect of the Great Depression. The financial institutions also collapsed. Industrials also completely locked down, shut down. And the industries expenditure, manufacturing expenditure also is very high. Demand supply is also completely downfall. Especially the price rate also is completely very high level. During the economical depression, stock markets also collapsed. Stock markets, economical crisis, the continuous rise of prices, the purchasing capacity, consumers' purchasing capacity also completely downfall. The depression, during the depression, so many facts, so many aspects followed in the depression time. The depression time, so many countries in the world influenced the depression. Suppose our India also, during the Britishers time, our India, Bengal famine, the Great Depression time. And Great Depression time, purchasing capacity, consumer purchasing capacity is completely collapsed or downfall. Stock markets, banks, financial institutions, all economical activities is completely downfall or collapsed. And markets also completely collapsed. And industries, agriculture production also is manufacturing capacity also is very high. During the depression and industries, all things is completely shut down. The depression time, some economical scientists introduced some theories. Suppose socialist economical scientists theory, according to social economical scientists, follow the socialist ideas. Okay, socialist ideas followed by the countries, which country followed the socialist ideas is completely escape the economical depression. Suppose Stalin followed the socialist ideas, socialist economical conditions. He completely escape of the Russia. And one of the important economical scientist named J.M. Keynes. J.M. Keynes. J.M. Keynes, one of the important economical scientists. Economical scientists say the J.M. Keynes during the economical depression time introduced some escape. Why escape the depression? Introduced some economical policies. First policy, the government compulsory introduced the some funds, provide the funds. And government established or government to provide the funds, and governments to maintain the price levels, and government also provide the so many welfare programs of the people. During the economical crisis, J.M. Keynes introduced so many economical theories. The theories followed by some countries, capitalist countries. Suppose one of the country during the economical depression time, America, United States of America, President Roosevelt, America ex-president, during economic depression time, introduced one of the economical policy, the policy named New Deal policy. New Deal policy. New Deal policy. Why introduced New Deal policy? The Roosevelt provide the some economical help, economical crisis to help introduce, prevent the economical crisis. New Deal policy, it is the important economical policy, economical program. New Deal policy, according to New Deal policy, some important theories there, some important programs. What are they? 3 R's. 3 R's mean number 1 R, recovery. Next to reform. Recovery and reform. Recovery means the victim of the depression. Economical crisis. Reform means introduce the economical institutions. Recovery, reform, and recession. Okay now. Total 3 R's. 3 R's introduced by Roosevelt New Deal policy. New Deal policy theory, main goal of the New Deal policy, provide the funds, especially impact of the some depressions, economical depressions countries there, some countries there. Suppose European countries. Some European countries also influence the economical depression. That time Roosevelt introduced the New Deal policy. New Deal policy theory, the provide the some funds. America provide the funds and economical recovery, economical revival, so many things mean the escape the economical depression. And depression, during the depression time, some countries, some leaders introduced some programs and some important theories there. The New Deal policy is the important policy introduced by ex-American President Roosevelt. Roosevelt is the important leader. New Deal policy is the during economical depression escape the economical depression. Why the economical depression? The depression is completely removed. Depression time is completely, some countries escape the depression. Okay.